I am gonna be replacing the shift knob on a 2014 Chevy Ss. The reason I'm replacing it is because this thing fell off. So try to look for a video how to do it online, but couldn't find one, so I'm gonna do one. So hopefully this helps other people. Yeah, have to remove this, and then it has 4 clips, one right here, one right here, one right here, one right here. Clip them off, and then you pull it off, and it has a pin right here. You have to take the pin out, pull the pin out, and then just kind of pull it out, and the whole thing comes out. So I'm gonna be removing all those parts that I just mentioned. Okay, so once you remove all those trims, all those pieces around this, and like I said, it has 4 clips right here. You can stick a small flathead screwdriver and just clip them out. It comes off. And then that's the pin I'm telling you about. Pull that pin out. There it is. It is. Slide it back in there. Put the pin. There it is. Oh, it does have to be on manual in order to move the shift knob back and clip it back in. Or reverse, same thing. Just clip it back in there. That's it. And then just put all the pieces back, and there it is.